Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Bitcoin Liz and it is as always amazing to have you back here, and especially it's so nice to hang out with you on a Sunday because as you know, Sunday is the last day of the week and you kind of can reflect back on the week that has passed. And especially I think you all can agree with me that this week has been really intense in terms of looking at the market. I mean, it's been a roller coaster basically, looking at Bitcoin over 10k, under 10k, and currently we are under 10k. So it has been quite intense, and of course I want to talk about the Bitcoin price today, and I also want to make a technical analysis where I will reveal a very bullish signal that is probably going to happen very soon. I mean, we're talking about in the couple of next days, so you definitely should take and look at that. But before we get into the content, I also want to ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am so close in reaching 2k subscribers, and it would be so amazing to reach that goal before the end of this week. So guys, I really appreciate you a lot and thank you for subscribing. So let's move into the content. We want to start with looking at the market. So as said, we don't see a beautiful view today. We do have one of those other days where we only see red numbers basically, at least when we speak of top 10 coins. So as said, Bitcoin is still under 10k currently, but it's not long up to 10k. So hopefully we can close the week over 10k, which would be of course nice to see that support on that level. But overall, as said, we do see quite significant losses. I mean, Ethereum minus 5.2, XRP minus 8.5, Bitcoin Cash minus 9.5, and Bitcoin SV minus 12.4. So there are huge losses actually, but I wouldn't see this as a place to panic. I mean, if you have asked, you probably would have asked for this situation a couple of days ago, as we discussed yesterday with Ivan Tech. So see this as an opportunity rather than a just devastating moment, so to say. Try to see the opportunities instead and take advantage of this situation. Really do that. Now let's move on to technical analysis, and you'll see why we are still in a very good shape. We are going to look at moving averages. So what is standard usually to use is that you look at more short-term moving average, in this case 50-day moving average, something in the middle like 100-day moving average, and something more long-term like 200-day average. And today I mostly want to focus on the 50 and 200-day averages because those two are, you can mostly find really like bullish or bearish signals looking at those two, like a more long-term and a more short-term moving day average, and how the behavior is there. So we do have the 200-day moving average is the blue line here, and we have the 50-day moving average, the red line here. So one extremely bullish signal is the golden cross. And guys, as you can maybe already see here, this is starting to look like a golden cross, right? So if you can imagine that the 50-day average is continuing to move upwards, slightly upwards, as it has done lately, and if we could imagine that the 200-day average is still continuing, well, more sidewards, then we are going to see a golden cross here, and this is very soon. I mean, this is in a couple of days, or already tomorrow it can be. And as I said, this is an extremely bullish signal. When the short-term day average goes below the long-term day average. So this is definitely something you should keep an eye on and really follow, because I mean, if we are going to see, well, we are most likely going to see the golden cross, then this is a really huge indicator for a rally to come, so to say. I also want to discuss quickly what is the opposite to a golden cross. Well, it's the death cross, as you may have figured out, and that is, well, basically the opposite. So when the short-term day average goes below the long-term day average, and we did see that actually happen in October last year, so approximately here, October 26th, then we did see the 50-day average move below the 200-day average. And as you can also see, after that we did see a significant fall downwards. So this is definitely an indicator you should keep an eye on. I mean, it's super simple. It's very well known, and many investors and traders are using this one. And especially it's good to see signals like this, because I mean, these are super clear what they are meaning, and they're easy to understand. So I definitely should think, I think that you should take a look at it. And if you like trading, of course, I do recommend Bybit. I mean, most exchanges where you can trade, they do offer indicators in their trading view already. I mean, they do have quite advanced one as well, but the most common ones everyone usually has. So Bybit, for example, here I have already put in the 50, 100 and 200 day averages. And the most convenient thing is that you can have them already here, and you can look at them, and then you can trade in the same place. So it's very convenient. So if you like trading and if you're interested in that, definitely check it out here. Okay guys, so that's what I wanted to share with you quickly. So I mean, we have a golden cross coming, most likely. So that is very significant, and we should definitely, after that, if we do see the golden cross coming, we are probably going to see a rally coming after that. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Also, do you want to see more charts? I mean, this is something that I have used since the first time I invested in stocks. I mean, this is used in traditional finance, of course, as well. It's the same indicators. So if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments below, because I mean, there's so many indicators we can take a look at. This is just like one very basic one. Of course, we can take a look at even more, so you have different options. I really like doing this, so let me know if you want to see more of these. So of course guys, it would be so nice to close this week with Bitcoin over 10K. We do have a chance of doing that. It would be so nice to have a support on that level. So really, let's hope for the best, and let's see what is happening. We still do have some hours left before we close this week. And of course, guys, if you want to support the channel, make sure to check out my affiliate links below, and you can also leave a donation. And please, I appreciate it a lot if you would hit a like, and as said before, comment below if you want to see more of charts in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys very soon. Goodbye.